Don't just stand there staring. Join us for a bite. But be careful, it's hot.
Are they in the list?
You are late. We've been waiting for you on a wall for 200 years. Initially, we were created by Goya as a mural on the wall near his kitchen doorway. We were Goya's private nightmares. Welcome to the deaf man's villa on the edge of Madrid. Let's say he was not in his prime. He moved here in 1819, sick and deaf, to escape a world that had gone mad. Trapped within his own agony between 1820 and 1823, Goya painted 14 haunting murals directly onto the walls, now famous as the Black Paintings. And we were part of that bitter harvest of madness. They call me a hag or a witch, but Goya left my gender as murky as this broth. Look at these eyes. Goya gave me this owl-like stare to mock human greed.
And I am a living corpse, a skull wrapped in white cloth. Some say I am death himself, checking my list of souls to take to the afterlife.
And this soup?
Or is it a toxic witchy brew of human hypocrisy?
This soup represents the time that eats us all. Follow our fingers. In the villa, we pointed right at anyone entering the room, always waiting for new souls to collect. And you could be next. 50 years we were hidden away, long after Goya died. Then a French banker bought the villa, just to tear us out. In 1874, we were hacked right off the walls to be moved to a canvas. They even painted this dark hood over my head, which was no part of Goya's original vision. He tried to sell us at the 1878 Paris World's Fair, but nobody wanted us. Too much for their Victorian eyes. So he gave us away to the Prado. Finally, we found the home where the world could witness our darkness. Come visit us at the Prado Museum. If you have the stomach for it.